This video introduces the Best Fit Circle and Best Fit Line tools. These tools are great for tracing over image data or converting mesh into surfaces or solids. The Best Fit Line and Best Fit Circle tools are accessed from the Line and Circle tool palettes. Let's tear away the Line tool palette, and the Best Fit Line tool is the second from the right. Now let's tear away the Circle tool palette, and the Best Fit Circle is the last tool icon. Both tools take an arbitrary set of points terminated with the right button or escape key. Let's demonstrate by fitting a circle and a line over the sketched image of a car. And we'll start with this wheel. We'll zoom it up and then start placing our points. Sometimes it's best to turn off the alignments, and so I will turn off snaps and continue digitizing my points. When you're done, terminate with the right button or the escape key. Next, let's demonstrate the Best Fit Line. Select the tool, and again, digitize a set of points. Terminate with the right button, and now we've created our circle and line.